Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna react to The Legend of Korra Season 1, Episode 1. Today normally I'm gonna watch the 3 first episodes of The Legend of Korra. As you can see, I'm really excited. I finished Avatar The Last Airbender, it was 2 weeks ago now. It took me time, to edit the last videos about it. And you didn't see them already on Patreon or on YouTube. For now, you didn't see them. But you're gonna discover that I was really emotional, that I cried a lot in each episode, that really the end pleased me a lot for sure, but really I felt so melancholic at the end of it. I felt so proud also for all of the characters, for their evolutions, for all of their relationships, Iroh and Zuko. I said it, this relationship, I'm gonna keep it in my heart for a long time. I saw that this relationship had really an impact on me, like every time that they were talking about each other, I was crying like directly. I told you since a long time that I was gonna react to The Legend of Korra because I wanted to stay into that universe. And 3 seasons, for Avatar The Last Airbender, that was great, and I'm glad in a way that they made only 3 seasons because they needed that to tell them story, and they used it, and they didn't use, the characters and all again and again just to create more things about it, just to take advantage of the situation because of the popularity of the show and all. No, they created their story to fit into 3 seasons. They did it, and they did it so well. So on one hand I'm glad, and on the other hand I'm like, that's not enough, I want to stay into that universe. So that's why since a long time I told you that I was gonna react to The Legend of Korra. That's why I'm here today. And at the same time, when I told you that, guys, you were some to tell me that okay, it's the same universe, but it's not the same characters. I knew that, but it's also not the same mood. I was not gonna be into the same mood watching it, that the characters were exploring different, not messages, but different subjects, different stuff. So I'm really like, okay, I'm gonna discover something new. I'm gonna stay into that universe, but I'm really into that kind of mind, like I'm gonna discover something new that's gonna be great. New characters and all. I really don't know. I know that The Legend of Korra, it's the story of the next Avatar. I know that. But I don't know what is gonna happen really around that, the story, our journey, what it's gonna be. I really don't know. I cannot wait to discover how it's gonna be, for another Avatar with another bending, how it is, to learn all of the other bendings. We're gonna be after Aang, so we're gonna be in another period of time, for all of these countries. Are they at peace already? Is it gonna take time, in fact, for all of them to be at peace with each other? Do we have other political issues, other things? Like normally we're not at war anymore, so what is gonna be the main storylines? I really don't know. I'm excited to discover that. You were also some to tell me that you were not gonna follow me, from Avatar The Last Airbender to The Legend of Korra because you didn't like The Legend of Korra. I'm surprised a little by it, because of the fact that for me it's the same writers, it's the same universe, it's still the story of an Avatar and all. Normally you should like that spin-off, but at the same time it's a spin-off, and like with The Walking Dead and Fear the Walking Dead, a lot of persons don't like Fear the Walking Dead and love The Walking Dead. But right there, it's not the same writers, it's not the same way of writing each episode, like it's not the same mood, it's not the same DNA for the show. It's the same universe, but not the same way of writing shows. So I can understand that for The Walking Dead and Fear the Walking Dead, the fact that people can like one and not the other one. but right there it's the same writers, so I don't know, maybe it's really a different mood. I'm gonna discover really something totally different. I'm really excited to discover that episode. When you are watching this on YouTube and on Patreon, I already began to react also to Firefly and to Death Note, and really I love that moment on my channel, you know, I'm beginning new shows, I'm discovering new things, and they have such different moods, all of these shows. Like Firefly, it's a western space opera show. Death Note, it's an anime which is so dark, which is about clever persons investigating on each other but killing also other persons. Like really it's dark, but it's also investigations about stuff, so you know I love that kind of things. And for The Legend of Korra, like if it's like Avatar The Last Airbender, it's a cartoon show, an anime, choose your side, I'm not gonna play your game anymore, that's it for me, I'm naming them shows and that's all. And it's another mood, you know, that's different. For Avatar The Last Airbender, even if it was about sometimes deep stories and deep feelings, I was always into a good mood watching it. It really made me feel good, Avatar The Last Airbender. So maybe The Legend of Korra, that's gonna be the same. We'll see. And I'm gonna see that right now. I'm gonna end this introduction right now. I'm gonna watch 2 other episodes today. Like usually, you have my Patreon on which you have the episodes earlier. For The Legend of Korra, it's already 2 weeks earlier that you have the reaction videos about it on my Patreon. We've extended our full reaction part. You can be interested by that, to have these videos, but also to support me. If you are there for all of the binge watching of Avatar The Last Airbender, maybe, you know, you can support me at the end, like, that's it, I appreciated that moment with you, I'm giving you something. If you want, if you don't want, that's okay also. Let's go for The Legend of Korra to discover... I don't know! I know that this is the story of the new Avatar. That's the only thing that I know. Which is killing me in advance. Killing me, no. But which is making me sad in advance, because if we're gonna discover the new Avatar, it means that Aang died. So see, I already thought about that. Okay, I'm gonna discover the new Avatar, but it means that Aang died. I'm not feeling comfortable with that information, and I hope that they're not gonna talk about his death, you know, how he died, and all. He died because he was really old, okay? That's all. That's the only reason that I can accept. It's Aang! No way!
When I was a boy, my father,
It was Aang, no?
told me the story of how he and his friends
My father, Aang? We're gonna meet... No! I didn't know that. We're gonna... No! No! Ooh! No! 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 We're gonna meet Aang's son! If Aang died because he was really old, it means that his son is already 40, 50, something like that. Oh, that's gonna be a difficult episode. I thought that I was just gonna be entertained, and oh, not at all. The drinks are really different, I didn't know.
Korra, please come in here.
Nah. You're so young! Oof. And you already know all of that?
She's strong.
Mm-hmm.
She lacks restraint.
Is it you? No, it's not.
Since you were a little girl, you've excelled at the physical side of bending, but completely ignored the spiritual side.
Is it all of you?
Do you believe she's ready, Master Katara?
I knew it! I knew it! I knew it!
I can teach her what she needs to learn. It's tense.
I'm sorry, Korra.
Naga, I kicked some firebender butt, and I
Oh.
cast.
You have a strong personality. personality, Cora, for what? I understand for now. Oh, the music!
We are finally here. Hello, Mother. I can't tell you how happy I am to see you.
We have air people now. I was already having tears for that. Your young son. It's your kid. Whoa. It's Katara with her big son who already has kids. I know that's logical, I know. There are air people.
What happened to Zuko's mom? Well, Denora, it's an incredible tale.
You look old.
I see another airbender in your future.
Is one child like me? Mommy, look! I'm a snowbender! Tenzin and his siblings this crazy when they were kids?
Kaya and Boomy certainly were.
You had other kids and you named one Boomy?
So glad you're here. I can't wait to get started.
Your airbending training is going to have to wait.
Why?
I have a responsibility to Republic City. I'm one of its leaders, and the situation there is very unstable.
He has blue eyes, you know, like Katara.
Believe
But
me,
he's
I
an
know
airbender
you're
like
another
her.
airbending master, but you're the only one.
Boogie? Yep, yep.
Yep, yep. Boogie? You found honor? Oh. Oh. You're gonna go no matter what.
Nice light for an escape, isn't it?
I have to leave.
She knows that.
I know you do. And
Katara.
goodbye, Cora.
I'll miss you. We love you so much.
I did not expect this first episode to be emotional. Oh yeah. Oh. I was thinking if we have news about Zuko and his family, I'm gonna die.
Look at this place.
It's different than all of the ones that we had before. Careful, Cora. It's supposed to be like New York.
Took me a while to procure a bush that beauteous. This park is quite popular with all the vagabonds.
Everyone in the city was living it up.
Hey, you got a lot to learn, newcomer.
Enjoy the equalists! For too long,
What?
the bending elite of this city have forced non-benders to live as lower-class citizens. Benders like this girl only use their power to oppress us!
Maybe some did. I'm wondering, you know, about the positions of benders and non-benders into that society. Oh, some kind of mafia?
Mr. Chen, please tell me that you have my money.
Take one of my photographs.
Or else what, Hoodlum?
Yes, I'm disappointed. I wanted a fairy and beautiful world after Aang and Zuko reuniting everyone and all. But of course, there are crimes and inegalities.
You're the only ones who are going to need a hospital.
Ah! She's good.
Did she just earthbend?
Can she firebend?
You're not getting away!
What do you want to do with them? You destroyed all of that, Cora. You're gonna be in trouble.
Oh, Metalbender.
That's a thing now? Thanks to Toph, maybe? You also.
Under arrest,
Hmm.
too.
Those are the bad guys over there. They were smashing up a shop.
From the looks of it, you smashed up a lot more than that. You can explain yourself all you like down at headquarters.
He's right! Just explain yourself, Cora. No, you're not playing clever right now. That's cool! Metal benders like that. Yep. You need to hide now. That's not gonna be enough. They can follow you no matter what. Oh no! Poor doggy!
Destruction of private and city property Not to mention...
It was tough!
I'm the Avatar. Oh, I am well aware of who you are. Then I want to talk to whoever's in charge. You're talking
She is?
I'm Chief Beifong. Lin Beifong? You're Toph's daughter. What of it?
Toph's daughter?
And
Shit!
friends. They seem to like you. You can't just waltz in here and dole out vigilante justice like you own the place.
You're not
Councilman
funny like your mom was. You know each other?
Lynn, you are looking radiant as usual.
Cut the garbage, Tenzin.
My relocation has been delayed. The Avatar, on the other hand, will be heading back to the South Pole immediately.
But...
If you would be so kind as to drop the charges against Cora, I will take full responsibility for today's regrettable events.
Fine. Get her out of my city.
That's more like your mother.
Katara agreed with me that I should come. She said my destiny is in Republic City.
Don't bring my mother!
I understand now why you need to stay. Republic City does need you. But it needs me too.
How did he die? He died young.
I have to go home now.
I thought I should put off your training in order to uphold his legacy. But you are his legacy. Republic City needs its Avatar once again.
Yes! Thank you! You're the best! Yes, I am definitely here to stay, but honestly, I don't exactly have a plan yet. All I know is Avatar Aang meant for this city to be the center of peace and balance in the world. I believe we can make his dream a reality. I look forward to serving you.
Come on. How do you want to handle this? So, the Avatar has arrived here. We have to accelerate our plans.
Amon arrived early, so you planned for her to come at some point. Amon is the one who is trying to make people against each other, you know, benders against non-benders. For sure, I'm gonna put the full reaction part on Patreon. I reacted so much, it's... I need the tissue, can you believe that? It's the first episode. First episode, the tissue. How are we gonna finish this show, guys? I did not expect that at all. I mean, I knew. I thought that maybe we were gonna have informations about our guys, how they ended their lives, you know, the lives that they had. I thought that maybe, yes, informations with, I don't know, some tales about it, some rumors about it, but I thought that it was gonna be like informations, things that people were gonna talk about during the new Avatar's journey. But right there, it's not that. It's the new Avatar's journey, which is connected, not even connected, which is fitting, going with all of them. They all had kids. I mean... I'm trying to not cry. We saw Katara. I'm pretty sure that the other guys, they didn't say their names, but I'm pretty sure that maybe one of them was Sokka, maybe the fire guy was Zuko. I didn't cry about it because we didn't have the confirmation of it. I don't want to cry in advance. But Katara, Aang's kids! He had kids! 3! He had 3 kids. Tenzin right there, Bumi, I didn't remember the name of the third one. And his kids, they already have kids. They are nomads are back, they are people. That's killing me really, just to know that we have air people now. Not because of the fact that I consider myself as an air people, but because of the fact that, you know, during Avatar The Last Airbender, that genocide, you know, the fact that we didn't have any air people, it was the last airbender, it was killing me. It was so rough for Aang to know that he was the last one and all. I mean, okay, right there, if I understood that correctly, he is an airbender, the only one who can teach airbending to Korra, Tenzin, but he has kids with powers also, who can become airbender also. That's it, we have air people, airbenders. That's so great. Toph's daughter, Lin. How many kids did you have, Toph? You're not alive anymore? They didn't say anything about it? Maybe you're gonna be there at some point? But you had kids. I imagined you doing a lot of things, being a teacher, and I said it, I wanted her to teach metal bending to people. Like, that's it. She really taught that to everyone because it became something to be a metal bender. They are all metal benders. Her own daughter is the head of the police, you know, of Republic City. Like, that's so great, but she's so cold also. She's not fun at all, like her mother was. Maybe Toph with ages was less fun. And you're not a kid right there, you're adults also. Maybe we're gonna see Toph at some point. Maybe we're gonna see Sokka and Zuko old also. We're gonna see their kids. You know the connection, you know, that I have with Zuko, how much I love this development during Avatar The Last Airbender, so to see his kids, it's gonna kill me because can you imagine Zuko as a dad? I never imagined him as a dad, but that's gonna be so great to discover that. For Sokka, you know it was my wish. I only had one wish for Sokka. I said it during all of the last episodes of Avatar The Last Airbender. I wanted to see him as a dad, I don't know why. I saw him as a dad, like, for me it was his future, you know, to have a normal and simple life, family, kids, and I knew that he would be a good dad, so I cannot wait to discover that. I hope that we're gonna see that. It's gonna kill me, but I hope so. Oh, I didn't expect that at all, to see all of their kids who are already old, to see them old. And I said it in intro, the fact that we're gonna discover, you know, the new Avatar's journey, it means that Aang died. I already knew that, it was already making me sad, but right there to discover that Aang died young, you know, he didn't die as an old person with Katara. Like, if Katara is around that age right there, it means that Aang died 10 or 15 years before that. So he died young, in fact, not young, but you've got what I mean. He didn't die because of the fact that he was old and all, like... in a way, I would prefer if you would tell me that he died because he was sick. No, not even that, in fact. But maybe we're gonna have something about that at some point, how Aang died. Because it's not logical that he's already dead, you know. Zuko found his mother. They didn't say how, but they said that he found his mother. You know, they implied that it was a tale, and I know that it's a comic. That was well done. So Korra, we met you. You have a strong character. I can appreciate that. I'm sorry, during this first episode I was not so focused on her because to discover all of that about our guys that we love so much, their lives, how they ended their lives, or how they are continuing it, to discover their families, to discover also this universe, how it evolved, Republic City, the triads, but also Aemon, who is trying to put people against each other, benders against non-benders. But I said it, maybe it's really something. In fact, maybe some benders are really taking advantage, you know, of the situation and are ruling in a way. During Avatar The Last Airbender, I think that we had this conversation once, you and me, about benders and non-benders. In particular, you know, when we had Mai, Ty Lee, Sokka who are non-benders but who were so great during combat also. And we talked about the fact that it was great to see non-benders being involved like that in combat and being so good. But in a way, that was also putting benders against non-benders, and like non-benders being so great, it was rare. Do you understand what I mean? How it was? So I can understand, in fact, non-benders who would feel like they're not having the credit that they deserve. But during the period of time that I know, the period of time with Aang and all guys, this period of time, how it evolved and all, I don't know. But if we have triads, if we have metal benders who are ruling like that into that city, I mean, okay, there are the police and they were right to arrest Korra just right there because yes, she destroyed that street. But them coming like that, like really, they came like cowboys and they destroyed also something, you know, with that metal things. I don't know, they gave me the impression of cowboys, you know, these police metal benders. So yes, we can see already the issues that we have to resolve right there. Tenzin, he accepted for Korra to stay because he needs help for the triads, you know, to bring peace again in Republic City, to make Aang's dream for that city happen. The triads are gonna be one issue. Aemon is gonna be one issue. He's trying to begin a new war in a way. I'm wondering, you know, about the fact that he's wearing a mask. Is it gonna be because he's someone that we know, or is the kid of someone that we already know? We have also Korra's journey for sure, you know, as the Avatar, what she has to learn. She has a strong character already and she has strong ideas about a lot of things. I love that. But I think that she needs also to learn to calm down a little, to hear other people also. She's gonna learn that with airbending. That's the first element that she's gonna learn, and that's the element of air people, you know, and all of what the monks taught to Aang, what Aang taught to his son. Can you imagine that? When he taught all of that to his son, oh, we have other peasants. It means that Appa found a way to have kids. I don't know. The drawings are different, you know, the images and all. I mean, for the characters and all, they're almost the same. But for all of the landscapes, you know, for all of the things behind, that's different. That's more 3D, I think. I don't know a lot about the different things. It feels more modern. Not only the city, how it is with all of these cars and all. I'm not sure I like this city. Yes, because I'm an air people. And a city like that, it's not a city that we can like to live into it. I'm glad that, you know, Tenzin and his family, they are living on that island, which seems really better than the city, which seems to be with pollution, with too many cars. Not a fan of it. It's really a metal city, you know. I'm so glad about this first episode. I'm so surprised. I didn't expect that at all. To have news about our guys, yes. To see our guys old, to see their kids, to have their kids involved in our story, not at all. To have these new issues for the new Avatar with the triads, with someone like that, like Aemon. I'm beginning to think that yes, they're gonna do in fact all of the story with that, the narrative arcs, to resolve these two situations, but maybe we can have other things like politics things, maybe people being corrupted or stuff like that. It could be interesting. I can understand why people think that it's really a different show. Okay, it's the same universe, and the fact that it's so connected to Avatar The Last Airbender with the characters and all, it's things which are the same, but the drawings are different. The stories, the issues, you know, that we have to resolve are different also. We're not talking about war, which is lasting since a long time. We're not talking about stuff like that. It's more society, political subjects. And yes, it's different also in the way of writing, not writing it, doing it. The musics are more present. I mean, we had wonderful musics during Avatar The Last Airbender, but they were not so loud, or at least not since the beginning. Or maybe, you know, it was just into some episodes, big episodes. Right there, they were loud and since the beginning. We'll see if it's continuing like that or not. But yes, you know, I can see the differences between the two shows, and I can see why some people cannot like it. You know, maybe they prefer the old, I'm putting it like that, the old drawings. I can like it, me. It's not something which is bothering me, you know, that change of drawings. See, I'm still surprised, you know, and a little shocked about the fact that we met their kids. I'm glad that I kept that surprise, you know, that you didn't tell me into the comments, but also that I didn't read anything about it and all that, really I discovered it like that. I'm glad. Okay, I'm gonna watch 2 more episodes today of The Legend of Korra. I wanted to say Avatar The Last Airbender. No, The Legend of Korra. So it's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.